guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another mukbang video for you guys. Yes, it is a Nigerian food mukbang video. So here I have my ogbono soup cooked with some stripe, cow leg, dried fish, stock fish, some beef, and I think I have cow skin too, which is known as bomo. Where's the cow skin? Okay, which is known as the pomo. I have it here, and here I have my semovita. I'm eating it with semovita. So guys, well, you have to watch me devour this delicious Nigerian delicacy, ogbono soup and semovita. So wish me a happy eating and enjoy the view. Ogbono soup is one of my favorite Nigerian dish. I really love it. So guys, I just realized of recent that I really love to make food videos nowadays, mukbang videos. So I'll be doing more, or let me know in the comment section if you want me to be doing more of this dishes. I mean more of this kind of videos. I love stripes. Is it called stripes or stripes? A lot, which is also known as the shaki. My semovita is not really so big. This is it. Not that big. Here's stockfish. My soup is never complete without stockfish. Yes, I come from a tribe where, as we are eating our gari or our soup or whatever, we eat meat or fish along. You know, some tribes, I don't know, I heard that they usually wait for them to finish eating before they eat the meat or whatever. No, we don't do that in Delta State. We eat meat as we go along. Here is my beef. Who loves the oily part of beef just like I do? Typical Nigerian way of eating in our hand. And also guys, I forgot to tell you guys, I added a bit of Titus fish. Who knows Titus? This soup is so delicious. If you want to see how I make my ogbono soup recipe, check it out on my cooking channel. Yes, I now have a cooking channel for those who don't know. It is called Cooking with Annie. Mostly Nigerian dishes. In fact, all dishes. It's a new channel. Ogbono is one of my best soup, and oha soup also. And I'm going to eat my bomo cow skin. Typical Nigerian way. I love eating with my hands. Yes. Some people, I wonder how they use the fork and whatever to eat this kind of delicious meal. I don't know. This food is very delicious. My mom saw my plate and said, "You're going to eat all this meat?" Ever since I came, I noticed you people just portion meat in bunch to eat. I said, "Yes, mom, this is not Nigeria. We're not growing up where children are allowed to take only one meat. Here, you can eat as much as you want, as far as you can afford it. It's not as if it's that expensive anyway." So, and I said, moreover, the video I'm making with this is called Mukbang, where you are supposed to have varieties. Oishi, like the Yorubas will say. Pardon me guys, I'm not a very neat eater. I don't form what I'm not. This is me. Typical me in the house when eating. Now time for my cow leg. My Semo is almost gone. This is the last. My plate is empty. So I'm just going to lick the remaining soup. See? I said to myself, let me go behind the camera and crack this, but I said no, why? I'm supposed to show her I eat typically alone in the house. Yeah, I'm just going to crack my bowl for you guys to see. Not my bowl, mine. Cow leg bowl. People wanted to give me a hard time. Can you imagine? You know which? Like I said in my other mukbang video where I did the bitter leaf soup, I love bone and head of fish. Oh my god, they are my specialties. Let me just pity this bone. So guys, as you can see, I have demolished everything. My plate is empty. Just going to top with water again. So guys, that is all for this mukbang video. I do hope you enjoyed watching. That's if you enjoy watching eating videos. So guys, I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.